Hi, my name is Muhammad Nawaz and welcome to our CWTC Get Connected Community Podcast to share experiences, promote services and networking and great opportunities available for residents of Oldham. There are two aspects for the podcast today. Firstly, healthcare, which is about ensuring that people have access to the resources and support they need for a healthy life delivered by a network of professionals. Secondly, to work as a social activist, your work is to raise awareness, influence public opinion, and advocate for policy changes to create a more just and equitable society. We welcome to our CWTC studio a very dedicated professional, Mr. Chaudhry Muhammad Nawaz, who works in the promotion of healthcare and as a social activist in UK and Pakistan to tell us more about the good work being done. Mr. Vansai, welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you.
Looking very smart.
Thank you. Thanks for conference.
My pleasure. Tell our viewers and listeners about yourself and about your career.
I'm graduated from Pakistan and then I'm post-graduated from Manchester University.
Okay.
I'm director of my own companies. I have my own business, surgical industries, either in Pakistan and UK as well. Yeah. So we are working on both sectors.
Yeah, having an initial meeting with you earlier on, you're a man of many talent, experiences, and serving the community very well. With so many posts.
That's my pleasure to serve the community as an overseas diaspora of Pakistanis.
Yeah.
We are working for the both sides of the countries, like United Kingdoms, as we live over here, and Pakistan as well. So how can we lift up the standards of the United Kingdom? How can we support the community in United Kingdom? How can we bring the labor shortfalls as a healthcare sector shortfalls? So we are working on it.
And I think it's great because as a businessman, you want to put back into the community and vice versa, and to be part of the society as a whole.
Yes, of course. That's the reason, man, we are working together and for society as well, for the betterment of the mankind, for the betterment of society and business empowerment.
Wonderful. You are an ambassador of APPS UK. First of all, what does this stand for, and what's the objective of the organization?
That's the Pakistani diaspora organizations is called All Pakistani Physicians and Surgeons of United Kingdom. Okay. There's 26,000 Pakistani diaspora doctors working at the moment in NHS.
Great contribution.
It's a great contribution. So
And so what's the objectives of being part of that organization as an ambassador?
Basically, that organizations cover the two major aspects. Number one, we are covered over here to look after the Asian community as well. We are look after the Pakistani diaspora who's working over here, their family services, their matrimonial services, relations, and build up the life standards, train the people over here to bring their career counseling as well. And as well as we are looking in Pakistan as well. Pakistan is hugely populated country.
Yes.
And we have the manpower. Luckily, 60% populations are under the age of 40.
Right.
And as you know, it's a huge shortfall in United Kingdom industries as nursings, doctors and care workers as well. So we are keen to support United Kingdom to bring the manpower for the betterment of the NHS and the society.
And as you said, there is a great shortfall as well. Yeah. And I think it's on the record, 2024, the NHS has a gap of 47,000 nursing vacancies.
Yeah, that's true.
So it is a massive gap, and you hopefully trying to fulfill that.
Yes, it was as in overseas diaspora. Nurses have few criteria to meet and fulfill these criteria. It's called, first of all, it's international language. As English is a secondary language in Pakistan, we need to bring with the IELTS 7.5 band for every single nurses. And then after that, they need to pass the CBT, computer-based test in Pakistan.
Oh, so is that the part of the nursing project you're undertaking?
Yeah, that's a part of nursing project, and you need to train the doctors and train the nurses according to the UK standards. As compared to Pakistan nursing degree, we are supporting to top up like a pediatrician specialist nurse, A&E specialist nurse, gynecology specialist nurse. It means nurses are the backbone of the healthcare industry.
Absolutely.
And we bring the quality of peoples in United Kingdom.
So the project itself is about taking professionals from UK to train people in Pakistan. Tell us a bit more about it.
We are working with various governments and private institutions allies with Pakistan as well, where we see the criteria where the people need to support for the language, where the people need for support the lift-up course, like top-up course. And according to UK standards, we support them. Live educations are sometimes we need to take the teachers in Pakistan for the lectures, for examinations, each and every. So we support in that.
So it's about standardizing to meet the needs and demand of the service in UK. I think that's a wonderful opportunity for people in Pakistan, and certainly helping those people for the future, for the development, as well as providing the needs of the service as well. So what about other technical provision? Any seniors like doctors, etc., that you're supporting as well?
Yes, so of course we are supporting with the doctors and nurses as well. When doctors, as a doctors, you need to pass the same as usual language course, 7.5 band in IELTS, and then after that you need to pass the PLAB 1.
Right.
And after that, when you come to UK, you need to pass PLAB 2. So GMC will acknowledge after completion the PLAB, same as usual with the nurses as well. When the nurses complete their language course in Pakistan, then they complete their CBT, computer-based test in Pakistan. After granting the visa, we support the nurses for the placement in the UK NHS different trust. We are working with different trusts in United Kingdom, and while they arrive over here, within 1 year, they need to pass the OSCEs. That's the practical exam.
So that would be the second phase. So once you provided training in Pakistan, the second stage would be the requirements to enter UK for the jobs.
Yes.
And these are the kind of processes one has to go.
It's
so in terms of the criteria, if you can highlight a bit more of what the requirements are to fulfill that visa requirement for the job requirement?
Yes, of course. We are looking for to train the people according to the job requirements.
Yes.
As we discussed before, as we shared before, the views about special uplifting courses like A&E courses, pediatrician courses, gynecology courses. So these are courses very helpful while the nurses apply over here for the jobs. And we support them to find the jobs as well, finding jobs, and we support them to pass the second test, which is necessary within 1 year. You need to complete OSCE. After completion the OSCE, NMC, Nursing and Midwifery Council, are going to acknowledge as a practical professional nurse. So that's the Career Building Council, and it will support the Pakistan and the UK as well. As we all know, UK have a lot of shortfall in nurses and doctors as well. So as compared to other scenarios in Pakistan, we support the Pakistan community as well. While the nurses over here, she's not coming alone, she's coming with a family, she support with the family. And as all we are overseas diaspora, always support the back countries as well. So that's the mutual understanding and support.
That's excellent, because the support along the way during their learning development, and of course bring them to the country, the support is there. So once they're over here, what other support are they able to get from this project?
Basically, while they do over here, they reach in the United Kingdom as a new person, when you landed in the country, you need accommodation, you need the support, you need to pass the driving lessons, you need to support in every single aspect. And our organization will support them and will help them to build up their own careers in the United Kingdom.
That's excellent. And what is the success rate of the project so far?
At the moment in start, we face a bit hurdle in Pakistan. It's due to language courses. And we are also working in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and India as well.
Excellent.
So we are looking for the nurses. We are not working only for Pakistan. We support the mankind. We need to empower the United Kingdom healthcare industry. And that's the best way to serve for the society.
That is wonderful. So in terms of the contact and the support that they need, how do they actually contact you?
Basically, they contact through our organizations, ABS UK, Al Pakistani Physician and Surgery Firms. They have a proper systematic teams.
Okay.
They have the train. They have a webinars. They guide them every single step.
I mean, in the video we will have your contact details for
of
people
course,
to
we
contact.
can share our contact detail, our websites, and each and everything.
Good. Is there anything you feel that we might have missed that you want to add?
It's not anything missing, but of course, when you're working as a social care workers, when you working as an activist, it's a lot of space. You can discuss on more than 1 hour as well.
Yes.
But of course, we are stand for the betterment of the United Kingdom, and we support United Kingdom to bring the empowered manpowers in the United Kingdom in every field. It's not only just a healthcare sector. We are looking for the different sectors of the society to support the British nations.
Well, we wish you the very best in the future, Mr. Avan.
Thank you very
Sahib,
much.
and I'm sure there will be a lot more discussions in the future.
Inshallah.
And I would like to welcome you back into the studio again.
Thank you very much.
So hope you've enjoyed watching this, and please do get in contact with Mr. Avan Sahib, and any support that you need, I'm sure they will be glad to help. And they're very professional in their working, and we wish you the best as well of getting a job in the UK as well, and of course the help that you need in Pakistan as well. And don't forget to click on our website as well, cw-tc.co.uk, for great opportunities at local level. Look forward to seeing you again. God bless. Take care.